After them do the severe, they move the thing and put it further over in the land. But the piece of land is for the cemetery. So right now we're having a problem because whenever people burying anybody, that man throw stone in it, throw maca in it, filled up the place, people put their man in it, break the graves. The last grave that we have here, the guy break it up, throw stone in it and break it up and them come and beat him. So I understand that my life is in threat because it's all over the place. It's me and the man come beat him. When you show them a spotlight down the bottom, them come up here so. But you see here so now when the rain fall, a lot of spring up. So I said to them, you bury in the road, when water come up and wash your grave, I not respond to it. So we're asking parish council to come and intervene because they said that they were going to come and get their piece of land, severe it, and all now they don't come. If it's even a little piece leave, make we get it to severe. But right now the cemetery is full because of the problem.